Today we're going to be taking a look at this adult beanbag chair. All we gotta do is open this up and it will inflate. There's nothing to put together. So let's get into it. I'm gonna cut this open pretty easily. All right, we got it open here. We got some instructions right over here, exactly what to do. It's basically, we're just gonna take this out, unpack the plastic, fluff it up a little bit. So let's get this up just like that. All right, we'll put this over here. And then let's open this up. I'm excited to see how this inflates. All right, here we go. So you want to be like pretty careful here. Just open it nice and easy. It's packaged really nice, which I personally like. So here we go. You can already see it starting to like expand a little bit, which is great. All right, there we go. Put down over here now, right over here. Now we're really starting to see it expand right over here. So we'll keep going over here. Let me lower this a little tiny bit for you. You kind of see where we're at over here. And the last piece of it right over here. Pop that open just like that. Again, nicely wrapped, nice wrap job on this. So basically, this is what it's going to look like right out of the box right here. So I'm gonna let this get fluffed up and then we're gonna take a look at it to see how it did. All right, so it's been about 72 hours and this is what the beanbag chair looks like. Really like it. I'm surprised at how fluffy it got. It is super comfortable. You get this pillow here. So it's about 40.5 by 38 by 31. It's 24 pounds. Easy to move, perfect for adults. Really, really like this a lot. You can see here, this is what the back looks like right over here. So you kind of have a nice rock as well. If you wanted to do that, you could lean it up against a wall. If you wanted to, this is just perfect. I like the fact that it is also portable. So it could be moved any spot in your room. We'll be keeping this in our basement for TV watching. So if you're looking for a great beanbag chair, definitely check this one out. Love the fact that there is no assembly whatsoever and it is super comfortable. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.